Okay, hello everyone. It's Chukanzanesoku once again. Today I would want to put us through how to use the trading view. Now, being a trader, there are two important things you need to know how to use to be an effective trader. You need to know how to use your trading view. Now, trading view is where every trader comes to draw their chart, and then you need to know how to use your MetaTrader 4. There's a video on how to use the MetaTrader 4. You can find them on YouTube. You can find one in my Dropbox or YouTube. But again, today I'm going to show you how to use the trading view. Now, what you have to do is first of all go to www.tradingview.com. Um, okay, yep, it opens. So you have to sign up. You come here where it says join for free, and then click join for free, and then it brings up the sign up page for you. So you choose a username, you put your email, you put your password, you click on this I have read the terms and conditions, you not a robot, and then you sign up. It's very easy. Once you do that, and yes, you're in trading view. So I'm just going to open my trading view for us to use. So yes, now we're in trading view. Now, so when you open your trading view, you're not going to see this first. What you're going to see first is the home page. Yeah, so you're going to see this. You see lots of these are people share their ideas of what they feel about the market, what traders are to expect, strategies and all that. So it's more like this is more like the Facebook of for traders. Everybody come here. You can post pictures and write-ups, and people can like them and comment and share and follow the idea. It's just a community of traders sharing ideas. But what you would have to do is, now for you to choose your pair, the pair that you want to actually analyze, you can actually come to markets. You see, I came to markets, and then I came to currencies. You can come click on major. Now when you click on major, it brings up the major currency pairs. This is Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, and then you can click on this. Just click on it the way I just did, and then it brings you to this page here. Now this is Euro USD. This is the market closed. This is the market price now, and then it just shows you a line chart. Then you click on full featured chart. You click on full featured chart, and when you click on full featured chart, it's going to bring you to where we were initially. So okay, let this load, and so we see. Please hurry up my internet. Okay, yep, we're here. So now this is where you come next. Like you were taught in the previous video, the foundation of analysis is candlesticks, so you would always have candlesticks present. So now with the candlesticks present and these lines, and down here you might see something that shows you flags of countries. Just click on it and say close or hide it. Now I want to basically decongest this screen so that it doesn't seem so confusing. So you left click on you right click on your mouse and come to settings. So when you come to settings, this is style. So style here, if your candlesticks are not looking green and red, you come here and choose green. Now if you choose black, you see the candlesticks turn black. So you choose green for your candlesticks, that's for the bullish candlesticks, and then you choose red for your bearish candlesticks. The borders can be this. You just let the borders be, and then you come to scales. So when you click on auto fit to data screen, so it means that you can actually move the screen up and down. I'm going to show you what this actually does for you to be able to move your screen up and down. Now after that, you come to background. Now background, you can choose it to be whatever you want it to be. I prefer to work with a white background. You can choose it to be black. Now this is a black background. You can choose your background to be green. This looks ugly. You can choose your background to be blue, but whatever you want, but I think a white background works best. And so then you come to time zones and sessions. Now you see the lines you have here on this chart here. It basically tells you when one market opens and when the next market, when one market opens and when it closes, and the next session and next session. So we have, if you've gone through our courses, you see we have the New Zealand, the Frankfurt, the Tokyo session, Sydney session, London session, New York session. So these are basically the breaks in those sessions. So, but we want to remove that. So we have a very peaceful chart to work with. So you just come here and uncheck this. You see, I just unchecked it, and everything you were seeing that was looking very rough has disappeared. And then you come and click OK, and that's all. Each time this pops up, close this, click on that close icon, and then hide for now. Now we have our, yes, you see now I can move from here to here. That's because I had to unclick that auto fit to screen, and that is why I can do this. Now the next thing you would want to do is, there are different ways to actually switch from this particular chart to a different chart. Now we're on Euro USD. Now what I would advise you to do is to come to this icon here, this first one here, you right click it, and then you see add symbol. Here I already have Euro USD, AUD USD. Now you can come and do, say, USD JPY, and if you click, it just pops up here, and if you click on it, it auto populates here, right? You can add another one, Euro JPY, and then auto populates here. So if I want to switch from this Euro USD to say USD JPY, I just click on USD JPY and it populates here, and then you click back on this and it closes, and you have a bigger screen to work with. If all you want to do is just to analyze, you can as well just come here, click on full screen mode, and then you have your full screen just to look at your chart. Come up here and exit full screen, click on this, and then you're back to your chart. So trading view is a very, you see, I think I drew all this in the past, but I'm just going to remove all that. So I come to remove all drawing tools. Now on this pair, for the strategies I'm going to be teaching, which I learned from one of the best traders in the world, you're going to be using the 4 hours time frame. So first thing I want to show you is, you come here and we have different time frames in technical analysis. So you have 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15, and all that, but we choose to use the 4 hours for the 2 strategies I'm going to be teaching. So we choose 4 hours. Now you have that, and then we have indicators, templates, we have alerts and replays. We wouldn't be paying attention to this as of now. So now this is the first set of tools. Now we have our cross, we have our dot, we have arrow, we have eraser. Now this is your cross. You see how this cross moves on this screen. At each point pointing down, the cross pointing down, you would see date here, 4th of September 2018, 5 o'clock. Then when you look to the right here, you would see price. So this graph is by default a chart of price against time. So this cross shows you at each point you move in the market, you're seeing the date. Like this is 29th of August. You move forward. These candlesticks are 4 hours in every 4 hours, 4 hours. So you move and you move and you move, and you see the price. As you go up, you see the price going up, and that's it. And then you have the dots. You see this dot, that black dot moving on the screen there. So you can use any of them, but I choose to go with the cross. Now we have this next set of tools. Basically here what we're going to be using are this trend line. So once you click on trend line, it highlights as blue. You can use it to do this. So this is an uptrend. Now this second tool we're using is the horizontal line. So I'm going to look for areas of, let me close this, areas of, I put this here. Now if you see, I'm going to talk about support and resistance later. Now you see price coming here to test this place, came back down, came to test it, it couldn't break it, came back here to test it, and now it broke it, and it came back here to test it, and it kept on jumping on this trend line here. So basically just by drawing two lines, I already know that market should go here and where it shouldn't go. Now this market came back to test this place that was tested on the 11th of September, on the 4th of September, on the 29th of August. This is the 15th of October, and it came back to test it and it couldn't break it. So you see, these lines help us to determine our areas of support and resistance. And then we have this vertical line. You can just use demarcate a particular point in the market. And then yes, we can use the arrow. You can use the arrow just to indicate where price is going to, and all that. So all these are tools that we can use to draw charts, to mark up our charts. And okay, this is done for here. Now this is a brush. I can want to show you this region, and I just use this brush to draw like this, and this is a rectangle. For you to, the next I'm going to be teaching later, which is requires you drawing a rectangle. This is your rectangle. Now when I click on this rectangle, when it ends here, I can actually come here and choose the color I want for this rectangle. It's green, or I can choose it to be blue. I can choose the inside to be blue, and then I just come here and reduce the thickness of the color. Do you see what I just did? I just come here and reduce the thickness of the color, and that's it. Click on the screen and everything is good. So these are some of the tools we'll be using. This is the text tool. When you click on this T, click on somewhere on your screen, you can type Chukar, or you can type entry. Once you type that, you click on OK, and you can call this your entry point. You can move it. So these are some of the tools we'll be using. And then okay, that's the text tool for that. And then this is a tool used to measure your profit in Forex called pips. So you click on this, you take it up. If this is where you want to take profit, you put it here, and it shows you 216 pips. Always ignore the number after the decimal place. So these are basically tools that we use in TradingView. As we go further, you would actually understand more of how to use these tools. And yep, I remain my humble self, Chukandene Soko, and I hope you've learned a lot from what I just showed you now. And subsequently, you would actually enjoy using TradingView. I'm going to go through this slower on our next courses on what to use to do your analysis and all that. So Thank you very much for being here. I remain your humble host, Chuka.